This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautiful restored unit overlooking the Chesapeake Bay. This unit was completely taken down to the studs in 2013, including all new electrical, plumbing, HVAC, kitchen, baths, and windows. New hardwood floors and moldings in living areas added in 2019. Fabulous direct views of the Chesapeake Bay, with immediate access to the beach and boardwalk. Custom built-in closet space by Closet Factory in master bedroom and kitchen has new stainless steel appliances. Includes sought-after parking space number 8, valued at $15,000. Condo fee includes master insurance policy including flood, electric, water and sewer, basic cable, security, pool, pickleball and tennis courts, exercise and workshop. For more information, review the details below.